Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building the ultimate gaming PC for 2024. We're talking top-of-the-line components, max performance, and of course, all the RGB your heart desires. So grab your screwdrivers, anti-static wrist straps, and let's get started.
Alright, let's kick things off with the heart of your gaming rig, the CPU. This is the component that will drive your entire system, handling everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. We've got two main contenders, the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D and the Intel Core i9 13900K. These CPUs are the top choices for gamers and power users alike, offering cutting-edge technology and performance. Both CPUs offer insane single-core and multi-core performance. They excel in gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking, ensuring smooth and responsive experiences. The Ryzen 9 7950X3D, with its 3D V-Cache technology, is a gamer's dream. This innovative feature significantly boosts gaming performance by increasing the amount of cache available to the CPU. The Intel Core i9 13900K boasts high clock speeds and a powerful integrated GPU. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers who also need strong integrated graphics for tasks like video editing or streaming. Ultimately, the best CPU for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Consider what you'll be using your PC for and how much you're willing to spend. Both CPUs offer great value for their price points. But trust me, no matter which one you choose, you're getting serious processing power. Both the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D and the Intel Core i9 13900K will provide you with a top-tier gaming experience and the ability to handle any task you throw at them. Now let's talk about the powerhouse GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. This is not just any graphics card, it's a game changer in the world of high-performance computing. This thing is an absolute monster, packing a ridiculous amount of CUDA cores, ray tracing cores, and AI-powered tensor cores. These components work together to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency, making it a top choice for gamers and professionals alike. We're talking 4K gaming at buttery smooth frame rates with ray tracing and DLSS cranked up to the max. Imagine playing your favorite games with stunning visuals and no lag. It's a dream come true for any gaming enthusiast. The RTX 4090 also features NVIDIA's latest technologies like DLSS 3. This technology uses AI to boost frame rates while maintaining incredible image quality, making your gaming experience even more immersive. Yes, it's an investment, but the performance is unmatched. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, the RTX 4090 offers a significant leap in performance. If you want the best possible visual experience, the RTX 4090 is the way to go. From ultra-high-definition gaming to professional-grade content creation, this GPU handles it all with ease. It's the ultimate tool for anyone serious about their digital experience.
Now let's talk about RAM. In 2024, that means DDR5. I recommend at least 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz or higher. 32 GB gives you plenty of headroom for running even the most demanding AAA titles. 6000 HZ is the sweet spot right now for DDR5. So, don't skimp on the RAM. Get yourself a couple of 16 GB sticks of DDR5 6000 MHz or higher. Now let's talk about storage. In 2024, NVMe SSDs are the way to go. These drives have revolutionized the gaming experience, offering unparalleled speed and performance. Drives like the Samsung 990 Pro or the WD Black SN 850X are ridiculously fast. We're talking about sequential read and write speeds of up to 7000 MB per S. That translates to lightning-fast boot times and near-instant game loading, which means less waiting and more playing. NVMe SSDs are also durable and energy efficient, making them a smart investment for any serious gamer. I recommend at least a 2 terabytes NVMe SSD for your gaming rig. That'll give you plenty of space for all your favorite games, updates, and downloadable content. Plus, with the increasing size of modern games, having extra storage ensures you won't run out of space anytime soon. So if you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup, an NVMe SSD is definitely the way to go.
Now, let's talk about the motherboard. For a top-tier gaming PC in 2024, you need a motherboard that's up to the task. We're going with either the Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Hero for AMD builds, or the Asus ROG Maximus Z 790 Hero for Intel builds. These motherboards are packed with features designed for gamers and enthusiasts. They've got robust power delivery systems, high-end audio components, and plenty of expansion slots. Choosing the right motherboard is crucial for any PC build. Now, let's talk about the power supply. For this build, we're going with the Corsair X1600i, a 1600-watt beast with an 80+ titanium efficiency rating. The components we've chosen can draw a lot of power under load. Having a high-wattage PSU ensures that your components are getting all the power they need. The 80+ titanium efficiency rating means this PSU is incredibly efficient. And finally, having a high-wattage PSU gives you plenty of headroom for future upgrades.
Now we need to make sure our components stay cool. We're going with a high-performance, all-in-one liquid cooler. The Corsair ICU-H150i Elite Capellix XT. This 360mm AIO cooler is capable of handling even the most demanding CPUs. It's got a massive radiator with 3 120mm fans, providing exceptional cooling performance. The ICU-H150i Elite Capellix XT also looks amazing, with customizable RGB LEDs. For a top-tier gaming PC, a high-end AIO liquid cooler is the way to go. We need a case that's spacious and looks good. For this build, I'm going with the Lian Li PCO 11 Dynamic XL. This case has a sleek, minimalist design with tempered glass panels. It's incredibly well designed from a thermal's perspective, with excellent airflow. The PCO 11 Dynamic XL has plenty of space for cable management. It's a versatile case that can accommodate a wide range of build styles.
We need a monitor that can do justice to all that power. We're going with the Asus ROG Swift PG32UQX. This is a 32-inch 4K gaming monitor with a 144Hz refresh rate and HDR support. The 4K resolution delivers incredibly sharp and detailed visuals. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth gameplay. HDR adds another layer of realism to your games. Once you've experienced gaming on a high-end 4K 144Hz HDR monitor, you'll never want to go back. We're missing one crucial thing, the peripherals. For the keyboard, I'm going with the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. For the mouse, we've got the Logitech G500 2X Plus. And finally, for the headset, we're going with the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. These peripherals are designed for precision and comfort. They're the tools you'll be using to interact with your games, so choose wisely. This is a PC build guide, so we're talking about Windows. Specifically, I recommend going with Windows 11 Pro. Windows 11 Pro has features beneficial for gamers like direct storage and auto HDR. It's a solid operating system for gaming these days.
Building a PC isn't just about performance, it's also about expressing your own personal style. One of the easiest ways to add some personality to your build is with RGB lighting. You can use software like Corsair's ICU or Asus's AuraSync to create stunning lighting effects. Another popular customization option is custom cable sleeving. And of course, you can always add some personal touches to your case. The possibilities are endless. Make your build your own. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate gaming PC build for 2024. We've gone through every component from the CPU to the case. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top-tier tech content. Happy gaming!